the south it is dark, but it's hard to imagine them sleeping, when here in the north I can hear through the noise of the bodies all moving and breathing, and the breaking of bread and the toil and the sweat. In the south it is quiet, all the bodies are still in their beds, save for a few can find their rest, and those who wake with dreams troubling them. Sadness steals my body, fills my bones, careless like a heavy moan. Peter, pick her up or let her go. Her wings are but the weight of mountain snow. Bird, I need your help, how do I know? In the east it is dawn, and the seas are all pulling and heaving, and the seagulls are wheeling, the sailors are hauling up the catch before sailing in. In the west it is dusk, the lights in the kitchen are glowing, and the smiles wafting out on the streets tell a story.